my car out today and I realized that my tire burst. It's the first time it's happened to me. So I drove it to this HDB area and I'm going to attempt to try and change the tire. Okay, here's what they don't teach you in car manuals, but if you're a female driver, it's always good to have a pair of flats in your car for situations like this. I'm now gonna change out of those heels. First, locate and retrieve the tools needed to change the tire. There should be a standard toolkit issued by the manufacturer in every car. Using your car manual, find out where your spare tire is stored and how to retrieve it. In my car model, it is located at the bottom of the car. Please remember to loosen the bolts before you jack up your car. A lot of physical strength is needed for this task, and sometimes you may even need to use your body weight. Place the jack at the specified location recommended by your car manufacturer. Be careful, as putting the jack in the wrong position may cause damage to your car. Use the jack to raise the car above the ground. Continue to lift the car until your tire is clearly off the ground. Now, you may remove all the bolts, followed by the tire. You're about halfway through. Pop the spare tire in and screw on the bolts. Next, lower the car down, then remove the jack. Use the tire iron to tightly secure the bolts. Now that I've finished changing the tire, we have to remember that spare tires can't go really far. So I'm going to head down to the nearest workshop now, driving really slowly and carefully to get my tires changed.